Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ledger in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Reports. Next, in the search bar, type in General Ledger, then click on it. Now choose the date range of the ledger that you would like to view and download and report basis. Then once done, make sure that you review all the details in the ledger. If all are correct and accurate, then make sure that you click on Run Report for your ledger to be generated. Then once done, head over and click on Export. Then choose your desired file type in downloading. You can download it on PDF file, add in file name, and if you want this file to be protected with password. Just type in your password, but if you don't want, you can just untick this box, then proceed by clicking on Export. Your ledger will then automatically be downloaded. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!